So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and support me my channel. I am Ushabala. Today I create this face pack for cleaning skin. First take one potato and one lemon and grater it potato. Now the potato is grated it and take a juice on the potato. Now cut the lemon into 2 slices and mix it the lemon juice and the potato juice. Now take aloe vera gel, mix it well on that juices. Now take multana matti, mix it well. As a face pack consistency. Now wash your face and tap on a towel or napkin. Don't rub. First of all, I am using this biotic papaya face scrub. Take a little amount of it and scrub your face. Now scrubbing completely and wash your face. And take a napkin and tap it on your face. Don't rub it, it will harsh your skin. Just tap, that's it. Next I am using face pack. Okay, take a brush or your fingers. Okay, already I prepared a face pack earlier, so on that face pack I apply it now. Apply the face pack evenly on your face and neck also. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, now the face pack is completed. Now take a lip balm. I am using this Himalaya lip balm on my lips. Now wait for 20 minutes. The face pack is drying. Now 20 minutes is completed. So wash out it. Now take a towel or napkin, tap on that skin. Okay. Now take a moisturizer, any moisturizer. I am using Himalaya Cocoa Butter Moisturizer on my skin for dehydrating your skin. Apply the moisturizer on your face and neck also. Now it's completed. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.